how to find upcoming events, notifications, settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First open VK and now go to Hub and then tap on those three lines here, settings, notifications, scroll down, upcoming events, here is it. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Now you can turn it off or on, and you can allow only important upcoming events, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.